Hi guys, I have a package. On today's episode, we're gonna unbox these package that I ordered from Diecast.com. It's a Canadian online store located in Quebec. I'm gonna post their website on the description, and let's open these. I ordered these like a week ago. It came so fast, especially when you're in Canada. They posted by Canada Post, and let's open it. I didn't realize before that I ordered from them a long time ago. I think I ordered them a hauler, and when I created an account, it says my email address is already registered to them. So when I open it, I recover my password and it shows what I ordered. So yeah, box, bubble plastic, packing slip. So here's what I ordered. I ordered a Jeep Gladiator, Fast and Furious 9, 1:24 scale. Cost me $26.29, and it's on sale for $24.98. The other one is Lamborghini Terzo Millenio, Gale, so it's gray, by BBurago, and Maclaren Senna blue by Motormax. Everything is on sale, like $2 off for each, and it cost me $95.91 including shipping. Shipping is only $11.92, and yeah, it says thanks. So this is their website. Oh, this is their address if you want to go. Like that one right there. That's the address of their store and their website. I'll put it on the description. So I ordered 3. This one is it's empty box. The first one is the BBurago. It's well packaged. They put a cardboard thing to protect the car. So let's pull out everything first. And yeah. Let's get the box out of the way. Let's open this one. Ta-da! And that one. Ta-da! So let's open the. Actually, I'm just gonna show you to you guys. I'm gonna make separate videos of these. For now, let's just take a look of the model on the box. This is a Terzo Millenio Lamborghini by BBurago, 1:24 scale. They also have a lime green on this one, but I like this more. These are more realistic, like the original 1:1 version. And yeah, the other one is Maclaren Senna by Motormax Timeless Legends. They have an orange one of these and a white one, like a Miho exclusive, but unfortunately they don't have it on their website. So I buy this one because this one looks closely same color as a Schmee's Maclaren Senna. So I'm gonna do a separate video of that one. And this one is the new Jeep Gladiator, but this particular one is the one in the movie, the upcoming movie of Fast and Furious franchise. So we're gonna see this in the movie. And hopefully the box, I'm surprised the box is too small for this Jeep, because usually they put in a big box like the other trucks they make, but this one is like a small box. It's same size as this one. See, same size. It looks like they're saving for packaging. Anyhow, I'm gonna make a separate video of this one together, maybe with my other Jeeps. But for now, let's look at it in the box. So that's it, guys. That's all the 3 models I bought from the website. I'm gonna put the website on the description. Hope you guys like it. Wait for the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're subscribed already, thank you so much. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.